Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks Payroll health deductions for insurance, full guide step by step clearly. To activate QuickBooks Payroll health deductions for insurance, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payroll menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Employees to view the list of employees within your account. Select the employee for whom you want to set up health deductions. In the Employee Details, locate the Payroll Info tab. Click on the Deductions section within the Payroll Info tab. Here, you will see an option to add new deductions. Select Add a new deduction. Choose the type of deduction for health insurance from the drop-down list. Next, enter the deduction amount or percentage according to your organization's policy. If applicable, enter any employer contribution amounts that will apply. Confirm that the Calculate Based on option reflects how the deduction is calculated. Ensure the deduction is set to active by checking the relevant box. Click on OK to save the new deduction settings. If you have multiple employees needing this deduction, repeat the process for each individual. Review each employee's payroll information to ensure all records are accurate. Once everything is set, return to the main payroll menu to run your payroll. Ensure health deductions are reflected accurately in the payroll summary. Finally, confirm the payroll runs smoothly with the new deductions applied for the next pay period. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.